ఇదా అప్పర్ కట్ నువ్వు చెప్పింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద అప్పర్ కట్ యు ప్లేడ్.
Daria is wantedly trying to rage bait you, bro.
I know, bro. I got mad and I started.
నువ్వు కొత్త ప్యాడ్స్ కొన్నావా?
అదర్ కొనుక్కున్నాను నేను.
ఎందుకు?
Because this badge became till here na. Even I used that as excuse to buy a thigh pad. Sir, for him, I'll buy after 12th.
కాదు, ఒక సపోర్టర్ కొనుక్కోవాల్సింది నువ్వు.
I'll buy after 12th.
సపోర్టర్ బి.
Supporter కొంటా.
ఆ హెల్మెట్ కూడా కడుక్కో. ఆ బాల్ మంచిగా స్వింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు సరిగ్గా వాడలేదు అనుకో నిన్ను ఇంకా షార్ట్ బాల్ వేసినట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఆడబుద్ధి ఆడలేదు, ఇక్కడ ఆడితే చెప్పిన ఆడలేకపోతుంది.
What else do you do? You can't every time pay 250.
Every time now, once in a week we will play mostly from now. We are not free daily now. Once in a week 250.
Once in a week చేసిన
1000 rupees per month.
you can if you don't have like any problem. Huh?
You don't have any.
Wait. I will see.
Hey, mains ఉందా?
Yeah, mains. That's all.
మెయిన్స్ ఉంటుంది. మెయిన్స్ ఏం కాదురా బాబు, బచ్చాది. నాకు 2 సార్లు 300 వచ్చింది మెయిన్స్లో.
I'll come, I'll try.
వీళ్ళు కమ్రే. నువ్వు రాలేదు,
Mains I'll come.
నువ్వు రాలేదు ఇంకా ధైర్యంగా స్పామ్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నాడు. యూ డోంట్ నో టు బాల్ ఆన్ 22 yards అని. వాడు రెడీగా ఉన్నాడు. వాడు చెప్పిండు కూడా, అరే వాడు రాలేదనుకో నేను చెప్తారా భయ అని చెప్పేసి. Hey, did you see my bat, sir?
Bat. White grip, yellow grip. కొత్త grip లో ఉన్నా.
There is one fantasy called that yellow grips make you score more runs now. That's why. Ishan Kishan also wears a yellow grip, but recently started flopping.
Ready. Yesterday also they lost
Lost? How much?
by 1 wicket. No, 1 wicket England chased on by losing 1 wicket.
Means you should say England won by 9 wickets. Butler, 8 of 8, then after that Harry Brook came and scored 79 of 35. Salt 59 of 40. Bilateral 12 years తర్వాత అడగొట్టింది ఇంగ్లాండ్ మీద. ఏ నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ రికార్డ్స్ వి హావ్ రే? We will send a list.
There are many other records, bro.
No. We will send a list to GG to break all this.
Never losing to Afghanistan, we might as well lose to them also.
When again?
ODI World Cup maybe.
అరే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కావాల్సుకొని ఆడట్లేదు రా, గిల్లుగాడు క్యాప్టెన్ ఉన్నాడని.
Huh?
గిల్లుగాడు
No way.
క్యాప్టెన్ ఉన్నాడని కావాల్సుకొని ఆడట్లేదు వీళ్ళు. జీజీగాడు ఉన్నాడని, గిల్లుగాడు ఉన్నాడని. కేఎల్ రాహుల్ క్యాప్టెన్సీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఆడలేదు రా మళ్ళా మంచిగా గుద్ద వాళ్ళే ఎంగిండ్రు ఒక్కొక్కరు. రోహిత్ శర్మ బాగా ఆడిండు, విరాట్ ఫామ్లోకి వచ్చిండు కేఎల్ రాహుల్ క్యాప్టెన్సీలో. రుద్రాజ్ గైక్వాడ్ సెంచరీ కొట్టిండు, జైస్వాల్ గారు కొట్టిండు. ఎప్పుడు కొట్టిన వాళ్ళు కొట్టిండ్రు. నీ బతుకుల చెల్లి
Okay.
కీపర్ పడతాడు.
Went up, it went straight.
కీపర్
It
నిజంగా
didn't go back,
పడతాడు
it
రా.
didn't go back, రే.
ఇటు వెనకాలకి వెళ్ళి ఉంటే నేను అవుట్ ఇవ్వకుండా అది గాలికి వెళ్ళింది. నీ అమ్మ మళ్ళా ఫోన్ తీసి కొడతావు. Good boy. Ay. నేనంత ఫాస్ట్గా కూడా వేయలేదురా బాబు. Sí. Unexpectedly, one guy from my Narayana college spotted us.
He also came.
Yeah, he also did. He is like that one introvert guy will be there now. in first year he used to come in van. He used to come in van.
Introvert guy, yeah?
He used to come, so he was the last pickup, and there used to be one middle seat in that van. We used to make him sit on that. Not out. It hit the net and then it came back. But it is nice clip for Agastya.
No, but that literally missed by like 1 inch, bro.
No, but it is still a good clip for you. That guy, first year what happened is we used to always make him sit on the middle seat. It used to be like completely congested and tight. In
You would have van,
yeah, in van. One side 3 girls used to sit right. One side 3 boys. I used to sit in the front because I was the first pickup and last drop. So the front seat is like the most comfortable seat that anyone can have.
Let's see the recording. Even I don't have a clear understanding of where that is. Oh.
I repaired my bad bro. It just cracked a lot.
Which the Spartan or Tala?
Yeah.
Alien band?
Oh, yeah. See here. Here. Oh, it's like completely opened up. I have the photos also. Then I repaired it.
How's it? Okay.
So one day his mother came down and she like started shouting that you are always making my boy sit in the middle and all this. Because he doesn't speak some. He's that
Introvert now.
Yeah, he doesn't speak some. He doesn't meet with friends all this very easily. So he was like, if I don't have any friends, I won't join this college. He wanted 1 or 2 friends to join alongside him. So he spotted me. First when I saw him, I was like, okay, is this our guy or not? No, first I was sitting over there. I was sitting over here now. He came from the entrance and he was going like this. I saw him. I was like, is this guy my friend or something? I didn't.
You should talk to him. You said that he's introvert.
Yeah, means he speaks, but when he gets close with friends, half introvert type guy. After that, he was like, I didn't ask you anything. He went behind. And suddenly he messaged me on Insta. He never messages me. He messaged me on Insta like, hi Ritvik, where are you? Oh, I was like, are you in orientation? My blade Usman Tariq is better than others spitballing. Usman Tariq is better than others. Ball ekkada? No. Usman Tariq is better than Washington Surrender.
I know.
Why did Washington
I know,
Surrender and
why did he
Prasidh
get
Krishna
selected?
play this way? Why?
19 runs he gave.
First over, huh? That is Acharam
Only
Paramparam.
1 over he bowled and he gave 90.
That is Acharam Paramparam. Every single time, first over he gives 19 runs.
Yeah, actually.
Bro, GT should release him, bro, actually.
He saved them, Ray. In the final also he saved them.
घंटा IPL का बॉलर.
Well, in IPL he got smashed.
All GT quota players except Siraj are IPL का.
Gill also.
हाँ. Gill is. अरे see his last 10 ODI innings excluding Afghanistan.
What?
Excluding Afghanistan series, see the last 10 ODI innings he played. Except 250s, you won't see anything. In Australia, also single digits. In Australia, also single digits. Now you see an England and New Zealand series, you will know.
Okay, let's see.
ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళాలి అంతే కదా వేస్తా 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 వాడు లేకి లేక ఎంత మెల్ల వేస్తాడో తెలుసా అసలు మస్సా 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 I will ball it side arm re. Peddi is more goated than AB de Villiers, bro.
He's Mr. 720 instead of Mr. 360.
He is more than 720, bro.
I can't stop doing this. Not that fast.
Okay.
Just to एक बार चाहिए तो. अब one shot use
వేసానంటే నువ్వు జుయిక్కా
లేదు ఆ రోజు దొంగతనం ఉంది లక్కీగా.
ఒకసారి ఇట్లా అని అన్నావు నువ్వు గుర్తుంది నాకు
What's wrong with this? Kaka.
She's crossing.
Ball went away.
That's why ball crossing.
How many minutes per person?
30.
Basically at 10 it ends.
Venkatesh Iyer. RCB is looking forward to release Phil Salts. Venkatesh Iyer and Virat Kohli will open the innings.
No, Phil Salt will come back.
I
He'll
doubt
make
it.
a comeback.
ఇక్కడికి కొట్టి అక్కడికి కొట్టానుకో బుద్ధ తింటా అరే I have to watch Peddi re. No, I saw Instagram clips of him batting. That's it. That's why I told he is more goated
It's
than AB de
okay.
Villiers.
It's okay at Nashville.
వాడికి నా గ్రిప్ ఇచ్చేసిన బయటకి మాకు భయం వేస్తుంది బ్యాట్లు ఇరుతాయని రాడ్కి తాగింది
ఏం
మొన్న
bat
కూడా
clip?
తాకించుకుండు రాడ్కి రా బ్యాట్ ఇట్లా తాకుతుంది కదా వాడి మొన్న తాకింది మళ్ళా గట్టిగా ఇరిగింది హ్యాండిల్ దగ్గర అది అరే ఐ గెస్ దట్ క్రాక్ ఇస్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ డే యూ హిట్ ద హ్యాండిల్ నా ఐ గెస్ ఐ డౌట్ ఇట్ slower Yorker. Masa. अरे Hey. Arey, one query came for CSK. Ray. Punjab is ready to offer Marco Jansen for Nathan Ellis and Gurjapneet
They
Singh.
won't give. They won't.
No, they are ready. Punjab only asked for Nathan Ellis and Gurjapneet Singh. Bro, CSK might go, bro. They need a power play bowler. CSK might go. See this. Massa. All the balls.
Time ఎంత? చెక్. 30 minutes recording కావాలి.
Okay, Massa. It is 22 minutes, 8 minutes.
8 seconds.
8 minutes.
22 minutes 8 seconds.
I am saying 22 minutes over,
Okay,
8 minutes
left.
remaining. 8 minutes means we will ball 10 overs, huh? We can.
Oh.
Ayyo. Arey, if you would have balled that on offside, what would have happened, bro? Something, at least you would have not get a wide extra, na? Why that much ego? Hey, Saka adu.
That guy bends down and plays it. That he has courage to can't do that.
Bro, tell Adar to play Sachin Tendulkar and smack him for a 6K. Sachin Tendulkar will cook Adar. Sachin Tendulkar will cook Adar. Hey, can you smash Sachin Tendulkar?
No, that guy goes like 130.
No, but still
His line is also all Yorkers only.
Hey, out! It's an out!
Yeah, it's out actually.
It's actually out, interrupting that thing.
I was telling stop, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Fast spin. Bella. Oi! अरे अगर जाता है ठीक है आपका रेफरी है
Ah, boy!
Mahari Oh, good ball. World Cup winner, man.
संजू सैमसन भी लाइक भाई मेरे को निकाल के क्या उखाड़ लिया उसका हाइलाइट्स भेजना था
Even he would have failed, honestly. I'm telling you.
अरे स्टिल रे समथिंग अरे इट्स संजू सैमसन
Faisal played really well yesterday.
ना आई नो
Got 80 of 49 while the whole team collapsed. Oh, bowled him! I'm playing two and not wanted. What shot was that, bro? Sorry.
Bro, that was one of the lakiest ball I ever bowled. I am like, my position is like Archer bowling to Shreyas Iyer. My position is like Archer bowling to Shreyas Iyer. If he hit with more power, he could have went for 6, but I am not telling him. Aye! One thing in this college, girls are good.
Huh?
Girls are good.
What? In the Care University?
Yeah.
How do you know? It's just
No, I
been
went
one
to
day.
orientation yesterday. My batch
Oh,
students.
it's not
everyone-
separate boys and girls.
No.
You'll find your love in it, huh?
God knows.
Innocent, where did she join?
She joined in
IIT.
women's college. Maguturula. Bro, after changing to double grip, Farhan got more times than out, like almost 10 times.
No, not.
Yeah, but
Bro, this was a perfect Yorker, bro. Crazy.
I would have hit in cover drive for it, bottom cover drive.
No, you would have flat batted it. Yo, what? Even he is tired of your bowling.
Yeah, I actually spinned it, bro.
Ah, yeah.
I actually swinged it, not spinned it. Hey, you're trying to copy me, bro. You never play shots like that.
Time है, how many more minutes?
No. 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
2 more hours or 1 hour. Yeah, आज it really does.
A light ray. I don't want to die before going to college. I want to enjoy college life. I want to feel what college life freshers first year of freshman.
How many years is the course? What course are you doing?
CSC. AI machine.
Do you have an idea on it? Huh?
Yeah. Bro, I still don't know where is my class. I will know on Monday. Hey, for us from first day laptops, you know. Bro, for us from first day itself laptop.
What? Take it or you have to take it?
You should take it.
You have, huh?
Yeah,
Which one?
Bro, I have 3 laptops.
Which
in
one?
my room. Dell. Yo,
For
what?
what?
I should take MacBook.
For what reason?
Coding.
Oh.
What? I should take MacBook, huh?
MacBook is better for coding, that's why.
Nah, bro. I don't
Then
have that
better
budget.
for performance, bro. But
I
you are
don't
not
have
looking
that much budget for a MacBook.
for- You would have not spent that
When
much
it
on-
comes to
Will you give
MacBook,
up cricket?
when it comes to MacBook, I am Garib Rinku.
No. Do you have? I mean, are you giving up cricket in college? Are
No.
you going to play there only from now on?
Huh?
Are you going to play only in college from now on?
No, I'll play here.
Your college is hostel or
No, I'm going to go from a bus will come.
20 kilometers a daily? How much is the bus? It will cost a lot.
50k for year.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's it. Bro, my Meru school used to charge that on a daily. I mean, for any distance, bro. 20 kilometers is crazy.
For any bro, even if it
20
is
kilometers means 40
even
kilometers
if it-
per day means 50,000
even if
is a
it
steal.
is, bro, 50k per person.
Ah,
In a
yeah.
bus, almost 30 students come.
Means approximately, damn bro, 15 lakhs. Huh?
And he has 15
But that will
buses.
go all towards fuel, man, for people like you.
No, bro, it goes. There are 15 buses.
3,000
like
rupees
that.
gives 40 kilometers.
No, there are 15 buses.
How much?
So
profit
15
will-
lakhs into 50 buses.
How many people were in the orientation?
Almost 70 people.